You may have noticed an unfamiliar plant growing quickly in your garden. It could be beside a fence or near a driveway or at the bottom of a property boundary. Now, many homeowners worry about one question: is this Japanese knotweed? So, what do you look for? In spring, they often appear as reddish or purple shoots emerging from the ground. These shoots can resemble asparagus when they first appear. A bit of time passes and the plant develops tall bamboo-like stems, and it's got visible joints. The stems can grow surprisingly quickly during the warm summer months. The leaves are usually shield or heart-shaped with a flat base and pointed tip. They often grow in a zigzag pattern along the stems. Now, there are several plants that are often mistaken for Japanese knotweed. These can include bamboo, bindweed, Russian vine, lilac as well. They all cause confusion, and photographs alone do not always tell the full story. Now, where do you find knotweed? It's often in neglected parts of the garden, which could be beside fences, near garages, behind sheds, along railway lines, beside streams, any area that isn't regularly looked after. Now, here's where knotweed gets sneaky. Much of the important part exists underground. It spreads through what's called rhizomes, which are root-like growths under the soil surface. Now, even a tiny fragment of a rhizome can sometimes regrow if it's disturbed. Now then, should you worry? Finding suspected knotweed doesn't automatically mean disaster. Many properties are successfully treated every year. The important thing is getting reliable identification early. If you are not sure whether a plant could be Japanese knotweed or not, you can send photographs for an initial identification check, and this is actually free. Get over to knotweed.org.uk, send us 2 or 3 photos and we'll take a look at it for you. Not bad, eh? Go for it.